Hey, I'm Russ.
And I'm Heron Ct.
And today I would like to welcome you to our newest listing at 2517 Heron Ct in San Jose. This beautiful 3-bed, 3-bath, 1,400 square foot townhome is situated in a newly built community in the Berryessa area of San Jose.
This home has 3 levels with a garage on level 1, an open area great room on level 2, and 2 en-suites with master on level 3.
Let's go in and check it out.
Thank you for touring with us today. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private tour, please contact us directly.
We look forward to seeing you.